this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Roblox Gamepass in 2023. So first, go to roblox.com, and from here we wanna select the third option at the top called Create. We should be taken to our creator dashboard. So you should have one experience right here. Simply hover over it until you see the three dots appear and simply click on the three dots. From here, we wanna select create a badge. So after we have selected this option, create a badge, other options appear on the left. So we wanna select the fourth one called associated items. As you can see, we are taken to the associated items tab, and the second one next to badges is actually passes. So we want to click on that. As you can see, I already have some game passes, but I'm going to show you how to create one from scratch. So click on create a pass. From here, the first thing we need to do is upload an image. So select upload image, and of course select the image that you want for your Game Pass. The name is also mandatory, so call it Game Pass for Roblox or something like that. It's up to you, honestly. The description is not mandatory, so you can either write it or not. After you have filled in all of these slots, what you need to do is click on Create Pass. As you can see, it will take some time for Roblox to verify your pass, but in the meantime, we can put it up for sale. So left click on it. Then from the left hand side, we want to select sales. Make sure you check this option, item for sale. Price in Robux, you will get 70% of what you put here. So if I do 10, it will calculate it here. For every donation or whatever, you will get 7 Robux. So after we have filled in this, we have to click on Save Changes. And now we should have officially created our Game Pass in Roblox in 2023. If we go back to passes, as you can see, we have our Game Pass right here for 10 Robux. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time.